Hey everyone, got an American Express gift card and want to use it on Xbox? No worries. I will guide you through the simple steps to add and use it for your gaming purchases. First of all, visit the American Express gift card website and check your balance. Make sure you have enough funds for your intended purchase. If required, register your gift card by adding a billing address. This helps Xbox verify your payment method. Now, go to your Xbox console or the Microsoft website, navigate to Settings, then Account, and click Payment and Billings. Select Add a payment method and enter your Amex gift card details. When you are ready to buy a game, choose your Amex gift card. Choose your Amex gift card as the payment option. If your purchase is no more than your gift card balance, you may need to add another payment method to cover the difference. If your card isn't working, make sure it's activated and registered. Also check that your billing details match what's on the Amex website. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Xbox games using your American Express gift card. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.